I am not a criminal. I'm a father of 3. My wife's a teacher. I deserve a right to access to medication at a proper price.
Right now at 5:30, making the case for medical marijuana, a packed meeting today in Broward to determine what the rules should be for using the drug. Among the questions, who should be given access to medical marijuana and when?
And this was a meeting not just attended by patients and their families, but also by community leaders as well. CBS 4's Silva Harapetian was also there.
I want the patients in Florida to have the same rights that the federal government's given me in Florida for the last 31 years. That's what Amendment 2 is all about.
At the Department of Health in Fort Lauderdale, the meeting room at capacity, the crowd overflowed into the front lobby for a public hearing about medical marijuana and the implementation of Amendment 2.
My condition doesn't fall under Amendment 2. I am not a criminal. I'm a father of 3. My wife's a teacher. I deserve a right to access to medication at a proper price.
Many are concerned about limited access. As it stands, there are only 7 licensed dispensaries in the state.
Patients need and deserve access to this plant. They need a variety of strains of this plant, not just one. They need access that is affordable, which with an integrated, when you look at the vertical system, costs are through the roof. I'm talking to patients now that are being told it's anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 to treat their cancer right now.
Daniel Oates, former Colorado police chief and current Miami Beach police chief, speaking for his city and chiefs across the state.
We all want local control of how medical marijuana treatment centers or dispensaries operate. It's very, very important to law enforcement that 24 hours a day, we know who's in lawful possession of marijuana.
Miami-Dade Superintendent of Schools, compassionate but asking for clear regulations.
So we're looking for 3 things. First, a safe distance between the dispensaries and schools, no fewer than 2,500 feet. Secondly, absolute prohibition specific to the packaging of these products. Then thirdly, let us have the latitude of having regulations specific to the dispensing of these products in the workplace or to children as prescribed medication.
Public hearings on the implementation of medical marijuana Amendment 2 continues in Tampa tomorrow, Orlando, and Tallahassee the rest of the week. I'm Silva Harapetian, CBS 4 News.